What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's your boy Trader Nas here, and today I'm back again with a new video. Let's just do an analysis about for the coming week. What it's like to happen, guys? What's is going to happen, guys? So before wasting your time, let me just jump quickly on that. This is US 100. I mean, top 100 US technology company under the year performance that you see. So today just start from the monthly time frame, so everyone here or she can understand. From the whole year, from the whole that was in the 2023, that was a good performance for this index, for this history. Let's just get out that road what there with strong bullish momentum, and out the pullback, and then is a continuation that I see currently that we have. After an impulse, we are expecting to see a pullback, a deeper pullback like this one. It's almost about 3 months of pullback. That was the next pullback, and then price went up. That was we have that was another first month of bullish. That was the impulse one, and the second one that is the strong one, and this one is the current that we have the January. So let's just mark our last month's high, just for the December. Let me just I'm going to mark this one here. It's just like this one. That is the highest swing high for the December. That is the last swing high for the last month in December. So let me just change the colors. It's just gonna be that black, guys. So within that NASDAQ, we're in a bullish momentum, guys. As I said, that after the price to break the initial swing high, like this one that I see, that was the highest high for the NASDAQ. That was the highest swing high, highest swing point for that price. So, and now price already break that. What are we expecting? We're expecting to see that price is going to find another big number for the target. So currently that I'm looking is just already price break that initial swing high, and currently we are looking for the another big figure number that we see is just this one that I have. You see that on the 80,000 that we are looking before reaching this big number that we have 20,000. That is the big figure number that we are seeking right now, but we are focusing with this one current right now because we are in a 17,000 that we have. So before price reaching, here's set for reject. Why? After price breaking the initial high or the last swing points for that price for the whole time, for the whole years, price is supposed to pull back for the aim that swing high should act as the resist as a support, because at the first time it was acting as resistance. So currently right now it's acting like a supporting, though we are focusing to see a pullback inside of this area, guys. So let me just shift it into weekly time frame, guys. It's just a simple one. This is the weekly time frame that we have. That is the weekly time frame, guys, and that is the last month's high. I mean December. That is the last month's high, and currently price break that after this strong impulse and then correction. Now price is break like this one, and this is the current weeks that we have closed like this one, and very wonderful rejection that happened. So guys, what are we expecting? I'm expecting to see a pullback before the continuation to these key levels that I'm marking. And let me just show you something. I don't want to mark this as a fair value that I could see this one here. Let me just show you. I don't want to mark this at the fair value because I'm expecting if this price could, if this region or if this scenario could act as a fair value, I was expecting to see a 50% of this fair value. The price should trade instead of this fair value, at least 50% of that fair value, guys. That is why I don't want to mark this. Let me remove it, guys. So That is the initial swing high for the price of all-time high. Price has been break that, and now we are seeking these numbers and we are waiting to see a pullback. It's depend if it will be that last month's high bounce and went up, it goes up, that fine. If it will be it will drop till to this last swing point high for the all-time high, it will be fine. It will go act as a resistance. Look at this scenario. It's so very wonderful. Look at, let me highlight those, let me mark those like this one. Let me show you. See that? So all this scenario is very respectful. I'm waiting to see the price is dropping like this one. Let me just shift in the daily time frame. That is the daily time frame that we see here. So I'm already marked this zone. That was the last month's high in December, and that is the highest swing point for the NASDAQ. Damn. So let's just come in. Look at this one. Strong, very strong bullish momentum candlestick. Very one. That's the good one that I like to see in the markets. So that is then in pause after break that zone. And now that is the correction of 2 days. This is the 2 days. That is the correction. So guys, what I can say, I'm expecting, I expect expectations that price is dropping and goes up, guys. Why? If I will take my Fibonacci from this one to here, it's just like this one. This one. So guys, let me just show you shifting to 4 hour time frame. It's just one very quickly one. So this is a 4 hours time frame, guys. That is the 4 hours time frame, and so we have this scenario that is the December last swing high, and that is the all-time high. And let me mark this zone here. Let me mark this one. Guys, I know that I'm in a bullish. We are in a bullish momentum, and I don't want to short any kind of fucking market, because yesterday we had a beautiful setup for short position, but I didn't do that. Why? Because I'm waiting for the right time, right setup, so as I can enter in and holding it for the rest of the year. That is the fucking shit that I'm waiting right now. I don't want to mess with the market right now, guys. I'm telling you, this year, if you are not going to make it, damn, I don't know when. It's just a God plan. So guys, look at careful here, and that's so I mark this one here like this one. It's just act like who is that? That's surprise. What demand? I don't want to prefer say that, guys, but let me mark this. So we have a lot of scenario that can make this price, if could drop, to act to reject. If price could drop, could reject this zone here, at this zone here, or at this zone here. So all this region, all this scenario has a lot of bulls are waiting. In order for you to buy something, you wait for the cheaper price so as you can buy it. In order for you to sell something, you are waiting for the highest price so as you can sell it. So guys, we're waiting cheaper price so as I can buy. Guys, I'm holding S&P 500. I don't have any position on the NASDAQ, so maybe this one could be a nice one for me, and I will long it. I'm waiting, guys. So let me just shift it into 1 hour so everyone can understand what I'm saying right now, why I expected this price to drop. It's just a kind of a pullback. It's all the share that I see is just like a pullback, so as we can continue to this scenario that I see here. So guys, let me just shift it into 1 hour time frame. It was a good setup for those who shorted yesterday. They got a lot of ticks they booked it. Let's just look at it careful. Let me just look at careful that of the scenario that might be okay. So guys, let me just zoom in because I will end it. It's here. Let me just like this one. So guys, that was the swipe of the video that I see here. I did the swipe of the video. Let's do that. And I said that okay, that was fine. That was fine. And look at this one here. It's already worked. This is the photos on the 4-hour time frame. It's just like act as a supply zone. Supply zone. It's just act like that. But so no, I might use like this one. So on this one, it's just already working. It's already working. And price went up. So guys, just for the smart tools that we see here, that was a nice one. Smart agency. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. And look at here, very careful. We had a breaker here. We had a breaker. We had a breaker. So we had a breaker here. So after seeing that price went up and do that, and then I saw that Sportsman I said that I'm waiting. Price it dropped very and it said that it's gonna bounce back to this 4-hour demand zone, and then price bounced well and went up like this one, and they said that I'm waiting for this breaker to act like this one. I posted it to my fellows and they showed it here. The stop loss was above this one. Because it was like this one, guys. It was a short position, and let me just say it was a short position, but I didn't took that because I'm waiting. You know that I don't want to trade every day, or I don't want to trade anything of setup. So I just put that stop loss this one, because as our take profit is just I was targeting this sell-side liquidity. So you know what, why I put that like this way? Look at this 1 hour volume imbalance. So that's why I put that stop loss about that zone here, because I know that if price could come back, it's good to respect this zone here, you see. So as I say, I told them put your stop loss about this zone here, and let's just say price drop till to this sell side liquidity that our price is just looking for. See, and if you are looking very careful, this one, it's just like it's just Friday low. No, it's just this week low. It's just this week low. So that's why we are seeking it, and that is the equal low that we have right now. You know, it's just a weird easy, that's a very easy trick, baby. You see that? That was the first target. That was the first target, and that was the initial target, because I'm always using 3 or up to 2 positions, guys. So that's on my trading plan and my trading strategies. That's why I use that. So price it still keep dropping. So that was the first target. I know that they holding that trade. They were holding that trade, guys. Sorry. So guys, price is still near with this Friday low. That was the Friday low, and that is the weekly low. So we are waiting to see that price it will dive. It's like this. That's why this area has nothing to do, because already worked like this one. Price dropped and bounced up, went up. So guys, we are focusing on this scenario like this one. For those holding, guys, I appreciate to you, my fellows. I love you all, guys. So guys, whatever that, let me just remove this one, because I'm not in this trade. I'm not a bears, I'm a bulls, and I'm waiting to see any kind of rejection. This zone low. So guys, probably this NASDAQ hold it, pull back, could drop it to this zone, could dropped it to this zone here, could dropped it to this zone here, and bounce went up, or could drop to this December high swing. That is the high, the last month's high, I mean December, or could drop it to this last swing high of the all-time high. That's fine. But what I will be focusing, any kind of rejection from this zone here, it will be good for me. Any kind of rejection, guys, from this all this zone here, or any kind of rejection, guys, it will be good for me to enter long positions, because I'm waiting to go long and I don't want to waste my time for trying to short in a few days or what. Nowadays I just want to be a swing because I see a potential targets. You know that, as I said, we are looking for the big figure numbers, so any kind of rejection, your price could drop. But we are traders and we do an analysis based on different factors. But if the price could drop to this zone or to this, or could reverse from this zone, that's fine. We are not a financial advice. Anything can happen. It's just a price. Sometimes price to respect itself, and sometimes we are respecting what price is do. So nothing more. Anything. But if the price could drop to this zone or this one or to this scenario, that's fine. I will join the league of long NASDAQ and nothing more. So guys, I love you all, and I really appreciate to you guys all. And then why you said that, why NASDAQ actually dropped just a little bit like that. So guys, my analysis for NASDAQ is just ending here. Let me just remove this one. So guys, sorry. So guys, let me just shift it into a daily time frame, as everyone here can understand that what I'm saying. It's just like this one. We need a pullback. We need a deeper pullback. That's why I say we need a deeper pullback. So for those who are shorting it, I'm watching them because I know that anything can happen. So we need a deeper pullback. Maybe it is to this zone here, or maybe to this low here, or maybe to this last month's high, or maybe to this last highest point of that price. But all in all, at least 50% of this kind of thing is just a strong one. It's just kind of we have an inefficiency area here, guys. So that is the that is the US 100, that is the US 100 analysis for me. And currently I'm focusing with, guys, let me just show you, just waiting for the right time. Look at these numbers that we are waiting to see price reach, and I hope that I hope that price is gonna boom it. It's gonna touch those numbers. It's gonna touch nothing more. We're in a good year, guys. So don't be a bear. Just waiting for the right time and to buy it. Just wait for the right time and long it, guys. And so guys, let's just look for the DXY. What we could have for the DXY. I don't wanna do for S&P 500. Look at this S&P 500. It's just still accumulating like this one, and I'm waiting at maybe this price could drop due to this fair value here. Due to this fair value, maybe this price could drop. That is the S&P 500, guys. Just do it shortly. This is the 4-hour fair value that I see. So this is a 4-hour fair value that I see, and we have initial swing high for the S&P 500. So probably price could dropped it to this sort of act at as a support area. Maybe it's just this above of this fair value, that fine, or inside of this that is a 50% of that fair value, and there is initial swing point for this price for the past, because for the current now this is the highest price for this for this price. So guys, look at very careful here. That was the nice nicely. It was like this one. This price do the liquidity swipe like this one. So you see, and there is a good, and also I saw that, and I say that price it start to losing. I just the bears are starting to lose after seeing this. Okay, let's see. You see, so it's just look at this one, look at this one, that price left, look at this one, and look at this second one. Guys, there are gaps here and already work. If you're looking very careful here, there are gaps like this one, and price already that gaps. It's just happened when this open, and you see that price is already that open that with that gap, went up and dropping that gap, and then price boomed up. So do the liquidity like this one, and they say that I'm waiting. So let me just shift it into a 15 minutes iframe so as you can understand what I mean. So for those who are shorted it yesterday, they were right, guys. Like this one, look at, I was marked that breaker, and then price touched very well that breaker, and then it kept dropping, guys. Wow, that was very nicely, and games, you know that that is a week. That's a swing low, and that is the eco low that you see here. That was an eco low, I guess. I had something unusual. That was an eco low. So look at that. It was 3 minutes. There I marked that breaker on that 3 minutes after seeing that liquidity, and then price, and then like this one dropped, and so I marked that breaker, and then price started that very well. So I told my fellows, just short that S&P 500 stop loss above that breaker. Stop loss was above this breaker here, and take a profit toward this thing, this one here. It was like this one. So I hope they are still holding their price still to read that this one, and I hope that market is gonna open that, hit that, and hit that, guys. This was our beautiful, very beautiful setup. It's such a beautiful one, guys. You know that it's all about patience and waiting for the right time, right setup. Every day is tend to repeat, guys, and nothing more. So guys, instead of looking this is just a kind of correction, and probably price is gonna boom up till to this low. So I don't know if they will do a break even and protect what they made, so as price can reach this low. I don't know. So guys, but on my side, I'm focusing to see this pullback. I'm focusing to see this pullback, guys. I'm focusing to see this pullback. I'm focusing price to reach at this one. They left. But we are not a financial advice. But if anything could happen and price goes up, that's fine. But look at this area. Price should reach at this area, and this area, and this area. That's what the first area the price is supposed to reach. You know that we are trading in the things that are price should do. We need a balance in the market. If buyers do that, we need a seller to do that, and nothing more, guys. So probably price is gonna continue to fall, but what it's gonna give us a clear that price is gonna reach at this one. Let me just show you this something here. Let me just show you. Let me make this. So look at this trend line. So price has been bounce back, and at this trend line. That was a fake out, and price is still bad. Guess what? If this price, let me just show you. Let me mark this board. if this price is gonna break that trend line, it's gonna give us if this price is gonna break this trend line, it's gonna give us a view that price is gonna drop in like this. Let me just show you. Maybe no, I don't want to use it. Let me just use this one. If the price is just gonna drop like this and the pullback, not that often, yes, you can expecting to see this one. You see that it's just a thing. It's like this one. So let's give price time. You know that we don't want to rush. Everything is easy. Just waiting for your right time, and let's see. Yes, let me just remove this. Let's remove this, guys. So guys, let me just look up for the DXY. Let me just look for the dollar index. You know that we are trading S&P 500 and NASDAQ, but we are looking for the DXY, guys. This is the DXY, and it's just for the couples days. It's just in bullish momentum, right? This one went up, correction, and goes up, and that is a correction, and we could expect in an impulse again till to this monthly fair value. Forget that week fair value is already worked. Let me just remove it. It's already worked. Look at that was the week fair value, and the price touch that and to keep dropping till to this. For those who watched my video, now they understand what I'm saying. So guys, potential we could see a drop of S&P 500 NASDAQ, and because the dollars, I'm waiting to see dollars due to this one here. It's gonna flip up maybe due to this one here. Why? It's just a monthly fair value that I'm waiting for this price to touch that, guys. So we could expect to see a drop of S&P 500 potential, but I'm not a financial advice, guys. Look up for this monthly time frame. You will understand what I'm saying, guys. You will understand what I'm saying. You will understand what I'm saying. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see this candlestick touch that zone here. So after this candlestick touch that zone, anything can happen. So I'm waiting to see that. It's just a lot of people remain to reach that zone. That's why I said we could see a drop of this fucking market here, guys. So all in all, we're in a bullish market, and we are waiting to see a pullback, guys. We are waiting to see a pullback and nothing more. We are waiting to see a pullback. We are waiting to see a pullback, guys. We are waiting to see a pullback. Let me just highlight this one. It's just like this one. So let's wait for pullback. That was the big impulse. We are waiting for pullback. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5 candlestick of bulls without selling bears. That is a bears on the Friday, and so we're expecting to see drop of this till to this zone or till to this zone, and price is gonna fluctuate to this big figure number that we are waiting to see that price, guys. We're waiting to see that price reach at this figure number. Let's see. Yeah, it's your boy Trader Nas here. Let's just look for the economic calendar that we have. What are we expecting to see, guys? Guys, if you remember that we have earning calendar and we have economic calendar. So let's just look quickly on this week. That was the next week that I just want to see. That was the next week. This will be this was a Monday. It started from Monday, nothing to show. It just was Tuesday. It will be January, and we could have consumer confidence and jobs opening. This news sometimes tends to move up to 15 pips, and I don't want to scale. The news that I'm always in sky is just an NFP, CPI, and FOMC, and nothing more. So I'm always looking only for USD news and nothing more. And we don't have any geopolitical events that could affect our price. So let's just look. And this is a Wednesday, and we could have FOMC statement. Then we have a federal interest rate decision. Then that's the Viking news that I'm waiting FOMC press conference. Then that was the scary out for me. So guys, if you wanna trade this week, you should be very careful, because why? Always news don't respect our analysis, don't respect any kind of strategies, guys. So news tend to destroy everything. You can say that what is the heck, what's on the market? Because of that fucking news. We have a FOMC, you should be very careful. Not that we have a FOMC. Let's just proceed. Let's start one. And also nothing more, it's job crime, nothing more. Then on Friday we have NFP, non-farm payroll. Damn. That is awesome. So we have a FOMC and we have NFP on the same week, guys. You should be very careful with your capital, guys, because we could see a high volatility in the market, guys. Damn. So I will be watching you, growing your account. Don't wanna wasting my account because I don't wanna trade that fucking news. I'm always waiting for the I'm always waiting for the clear trade. Nothing like a fucking shit NFP. What is the NFP? It's just a kind of data they create so they can destroy everything. If Jerome said that everything the markets tend to rush. Damn. So guys, so you should be very careful with that non-farm payroll. Guys, that was the previous. It was 200,000 and 60,000 case, and now they are expecting one. I think expecting these numbers to drop. Okay, they are expecting to see 100,000 and 62,000 k. They are expecting. Okay, that fine. If they are expecting that fine, but prefer this one. This one, you should focus on this one and not this one. Why? If that non-farm payroll comes out at the lesser than or lower than this one, it means that my point is just like this one. If the data comes out at the lower than of last month, it's not good. You know that? They are trying to confuse you, but focus with this one. If the data should be at the better than expected, so that the dollar can boom, we could expect to see maybe 200,000 and maybe 50,000, which is like a big one. You know that, but not lesser than this one. It's not good. And also you should be focusing with unemployment rates, because this one is measured the performance of the people who have now a job there. So they are expecting to see a 3.7% as expected. That's fine. But if the data comes out as a lower than this one, could be good. The lower than expected compared with the last month. If the data comes out maybe with a 3.5 or 0.4, this will be suitable. For US, it's indicated that there are a few number of people who haven't a job there, so it will be simple. So for this to be a strong bullish NFP, we could expecting to see that the data comes out as better than this one and lower than of this one. This could be a good NFP for those who are trading that, guys. So I'm not on a financial advisor. You should understand what you're doing, guys. So look at the FOMC statement, and it's just about terms. This is a 5.50 decision, guys. Okay, how much? So guys, that was my analysis. After comparing that, you got let me just show you something. Let's just look at the performance of DXY. Let's just look at for the COT data. Okay, sorry, just opening with this. I didn't select it. Okay, guys, this is the US dollar index. Let's just look at for the COT data. That's what's happening. Look at from December let's just start from October. On the long positions, they where the big figure number. What is the big figure number? Let's just 28. That was 28,000. That were the big number. That was for the long position. That was the big numbers. So as when you look at carefully, there is just to decrease from December 15,000, 16,000, 16,000. So when you compare with this previous months like October's, it's just the big one was 28,000, as you see this one. So nothing else are bigger than 28,000. So it means that the position for the longs, for who are placing long position, it's just they decrease their positions. Let's just look for the short position. What are the highest numbers? It's just like 20,000. Here you see that of the short position was added on the. It was 99 of August 2023. This one was the highest number. That was the highest contract that has been added, and prices started to decrease 80,000, 9,000, 7,000, 9,000, 8,000, 10,000. So those dropping, and then it starts to increase on the short positions, just at 10,000, 11, 13, and then 14,000. So they start to increase. They are on the short term, they are decreased, and then on the long term they are decreased, but on the short term they are decreased their position. So it's a big one. So let's just look up the change long. So on that 2023 January as well, Saturday, they added 1,494 long position. They added that on 16 January 2024. They closed the 90,064. So they closed the long position. So they were closed like this one. And look at long position. That was the big one, has been closed. So December 12,248 has been closed on that time. So that's why that the dollar was weak at that time. So look at on the short positions, close this one, closed here, and nothing scarred here. Look at for the next positions, still we're in a red, so probably just a scarred a little one. We could be expecting the dollar to keep dropping. So I'm expecting to see that dollar touch the month's fair value and dropping, guys. So that is the DXY. That was the DXY. Let's just look for the maybe probably let's just look up for this one. This is a weekly summary that you look at for the S&P 500. Okay, look at S&P, that is the in S&P 500, that is the future. 200,000 and 78,000 has been placed. That is a long has been placed. And look at on the shorts, it's damn 400,000 and 69 contract has been placed. Look at this. It's just a bigger one figure number. Look at this. It's just a bigger one. Boom. So compare that to what was the long. It's just that last Friday. Let's say it was Saturday, 23 of January. It's placed. So let's just look for the net change for the change long and change short. So 99,960 has been added for this week, and this is the fourth. Look up for the short position. 4,193 has been added for this week. Look at this. This is a strong one. That was a strong one. Damn. So this was a wonderful. Look at for the net position, 100,079,473 has been closed. You see, so both are closed. The net position is just has been closed. So let's just expecting the S&P 500 just keep dropping, guys. Look out for the NASDAQ. Let's just look for the NASDAQ. What's on NASDAQ? 78,544, and plus look out for the short position 45 and 45,502 has been pressed. Look out for the numbers that are added on the long position. It's just like 4,008 and 852, 8,371 has been placed. Not closed, no closed short, no closed long, no closed short, no closed long. But on the net position, it's just like not close to anything. It's just like in the normal, guys. So the share data only we have. Let me just look at that. That's that. Thank you. So those are the big numbers. Okay, no, they are not closing. They are not closed. That there is no volatility in the market. So, guys, anything is possible if you are trying. If you understand what you are doing, click for the bell icon so as you can get my new notification videos, guys. I love you all, and I really appreciate you guys all. We are in a bullish market, and we are waiting to see a deeper pullback so as we can buy S&P 500 and NASDAQ, guys, and nothing more, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Click for the bell icon so as you can get my new notification video, and don't